A very good evening to you, all of you. Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. And today again I am come up with Sabudana Vada recipe, which is my favorite, our favorite actually. But today I am going to show you frying also and in oven and little bit of different recipe than the last time. So basic ingredients what you need is sabudana, that is tapioca. I have soaked it for 6 hours this time, not the overnight, 6 hours. So I took this measurement, I washed it and then I soaked it for 6 hours, and then I drained the water and now it is ready to go in a recipe. Then I took 3 potatoes boiled, so it will go in this. 2 teaspoon of rice flour, uh, half of this measurement of coriander leaves, finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, salt to taste, lime juice, oil for frying. Now this time I will be showing you in oven too. So I've already kept my oven for preheating for on 220 C, that is degree Celsius. So for 10 minutes, and then I will be baking my sabudana, few sabudana in that for 20 minutes, first 20 minutes, and then flip flop it and again bake it for 15 minutes. So let's start first doing this. So I have greased the oil also for this and kept. So now let's add our salt to taste, proper salt to taste add to this because potatoes and all are there. And then now we'll do this of our potatoes. And mash it up nicely. Then we'll add all this coriander and the rice flour, some lime juice, I'll keep on my gas also this ready, and now I'll add some lime juice for this, around 1 teaspoon of this. Then I will be adding turmeric powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of turmeric powder to this. Last video I have not added turmeric powder, so you can do with and without turmeric powder. And I'm showing this again this video because everybody were demanding me to show in oven too. So this is another 1/4 teaspoon of this size, some cumin seeds, a pinch of chili powder, very less, and a tinge of coriander powder, and I will add little bit of garam masala. So this is my recipe. So let's mix this all together. Mix all together so the salt what we put, it's all gone nicely. check the salt. We need little bit of salt. So here I'm adding little bit of salt and mix this all together. And now same procedure, but this time I am going to make one. I will show you in donut shape. So apply little bit oil, or you can apply little bit of water, whichever way. Okay, so let's make now. Start making first the patty. So what I am doing, I am going to make bigger size and flat. Okay, bigger and flat. Same way I will do like this only. More flatter, you will get it more crispy. So now this is going in trend that Sabudana is come into more flat. So this is this one. Now I want to show you little bit of donut shape. So donut everybody know. And make a hole. So this is like a donut shape. So like this only you all make it, and then we will bake it in oven also. Our oil is becoming hot. So here it is. I have done this, and I have done for my oven also. Here the oil is hot because it has to be hot. So first slowly make the oil hot, then increase the flame. And this is going to go in the oven, as I said, 220 degrees. Little bit of oil you put it on top, and then let it go in the oven for 20 minutes first side, and then flip flop it another 15 minutes the other side. So the oil is hot. So now I will put this patty in this. I just put one in this first, and just let it fry it. Now I will leave this donut also. And let them fry crispy both the sides nicely. And I'll put this also. This is the best evening snacks actually. So now we'll flip flop the first one, and the Sabudana donut. This one has to become, so it takes time little bit, but once it is done, it is very tasty. So I flip flop this now. Yes. So we want it golden brown. So we'll fry this till golden brown. I and it's in the oven also. It's light is not there, but it's in oven also. It is getting cooked. So now it's getting golden brown and crispy too, because the more flat, the more crispy it is. So these are nicely golden brown. All the sides nicely fried, and it's done. So if you want a bigger sabudana, then flat one is nice, best. Yes, and it's perfectly done. So I will take out this and serve in a plate, and we'll have it hot. And it's always good to have sabudanas hot. Uh, So this is now our and it will go in our this one. It's very crispy here, very tasty. Now we'll wait for the oven one also. And this is the last one I fried, and the oven one is still becoming. So this is hot. So now I'm flip-flopping it the other side. And I will flip-flop this and again keep for 20 minutes. Okay, and then it's done to eat. Back in the oven. So now these are done, and these are this color, healthy, baked in oven. So it's nicely done. It's crispy too. It is also crispy. It's very hot. So hope you all will enjoy this too, with less oil and all this thing. So I'm going to enjoy this with my tea. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you. So do try this and enjoy frying in all, which is always we all do, and this is in the oven. So both combinations you all have, whichever you all want, whichever you all enjoy this. Thank you.